Day 10, we're talking about collagen. Now, most of us think about collagen when it comes to our hair, our skin, our nails, and that's absolutely true. Estrogen, again, has a big role in collagen production, and we are producing less and less, which is why we'll start to get that nice loose collagen replaced with stiffer types of collagen, and that changes skin elasticity. It can lead to more joint pain, brittle hair, brittle nails, and also brittle bones because, as we talked about before, bones are made of partly minerals, partly collagen. It's what makes them hard and flexible, and so we need both. Now, collagen rich foods, if you can get a good supplement, that's great. Make sure there's a lot of supplements out there that have heavy metals and lead, so make sure you have a good quality source that is tested for chemicals and heavy metals. Grass-fed collagen, the most abundant in the body, is the type 1 collagen, but you can also get blends. And I am a huge fan of getting food first when it comes to this as well. So things like cooking your food with the bone on it. Anytime I make a soup, I try to make sure that I have the whole bone in there. And then I'm at least pulling out, if you add a little bit of acid or apple cider vinegar to like a chicken and veggie soup or something like that, you're actually drawing some of those collagen and gelatin and those healthy bone and skin and hair healing nutrients. Bone broth is popular right now. You can drink more sip on bone broth. You can add it to soups and smoothies and protein powder. And then it's well absorbed if you take it alongside vitamin C. And I'm a huge fan of vitamin C rich foods. Supplements, both both collagen and vitamin C will also help with glutathione recycling and production. So as you'll see, that oftentimes there's one thing that we do and it'll have these ripple effects. And so making sure to eat, anytime you have a collagen rich meal, making sure you're adding vitamin C rich foods, things like citrus, broccoli, bell peppers, that will really help with absorption. It's going to help to heal the intestinal lining, help to lower inflammation, help with skin and joint health, and help with brain health. Look for some bone broth, look for some collagen, look for even gelatin. There's a brand called Great Lakes that makes a grass-fed gelatin, and it's unsweetened. It is very, very rich in protein. You can add it to things. You can use it as a thickener. You can make your own homemade gelatin, homemade gummies, and it can be a really yummy treat that is also really gut healing. So that is your task for today and for this week, is to get some more collagen into your diet and find other ways to incorporate that on an ongoing basis.